I will make it short. I just want to acknowledge my frustration on those charity bloggers that is like making millions of money, na not not so sincere with the viewers, or just playing with the viewers. Yun lang po, and I'm one of the victims of those. So, sana po sa mga viewers, we need to, assess first and study first whom we gonna support, kasi minsan po nakakabaliw, you're gonna be um like an avid viewers ng mga ganyan, ng mga vloggers, and then in the long run you gonna find out that they are fooling you, that are